Let's explore the 4 best methods of how to restore deleted contacts on your iQOO phone. Part 1. How to restore deleted contacts on iQOO by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android on your PC. Step 2. Launch it. Then connect your iQOO device via USB and enable USB debugging as instructed. Step 3. Once your device is recognized, select Contacts and click Next. Step 4. Choose between Quick Scan or Deep Scan, then begin the scan. Step 5. After scanning, preview the found contacts and click Recover to save them on your computer. Part 2. How to retrieve deleted contacts on iQOO with Vivo Cloud. Since iQOO operates under Vivo, its phones come with full support for Vivo Cloud services. If you previously enabled Vivo Cloud on your device, restoring deleted contacts is relatively simple and doesn't require any third-party software. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iQOO phone. Step 2. Navigate to Account and Sync or Vivo Cloud, depending on your system version. Step 3. Sign in with your Vivo account credentials. Step 4. Tap on Contacts, then check if backup and sync are turned on. Step 5. If contact backups are available, choose the Restore option to retrieve them. Part 3. How to recover deleted contacts on iQOO via Google Contacts. If your iQOO phone was synced with a Google account, you may be able to recover deleted contacts directly from the Google Contacts web interface. This cloud-based service automatically backs up your contact list and even retains deleted entries for up to 30 days, giving you a grace period to restore them. Step 1. Open your browser and visit contacts.google.com, then sign in with the Google account linked to your iQOO phone. Step 2. Click the Fix and Manage tab on the left-hand menu. Step 3. Select Restore Contacts from the options. Step 4. Choose the device associated with the deleted contacts and click Restore to begin the recovery process. Part 4. How to restore deleted contacts on iQOO using SIM card. If you had previously saved your contacts to your SIM card, restoring them is quick and doesn't require an internet connection or any backup service, making it especially useful when switching phones or after a factory reset. However, keep in mind that SIM cards have limited storage capacity, so only the contacts saved on the SIM will be recoverable. Those stored in your phone's internal memory or synced to cloud accounts won't be restored using this method. Step 1. Insert the SIM card containing the saved contacts into your iQOO phone. Step 2. Open the Contacts or Phone app. Step 3. Tap the menu icon and go to Settings, Manage Contacts, Import Export. Step 4. Choose Import from SIM card and select the contacts you want to restore. Step 5. Confirm the import to transfer the contacts to your phone's internal storage.